Hey guys, I from Team RGR would like to present our project BookMyVac. As the name already suggests, BookMyVac is an online platform which allows users to book their vaccine from their home itself. In this pandemic situation for a country like India, which is having a huge population, distribution of vaccine is going to be a very challenging task. And therefore, we came up with a solution of easing the distribution process. We will allow users to book their slots and their hospital or the clinics according to their distance from their residential area. Moving towards this start area, this will show us the entire stats of COVID-19 situation in our country, and these stats will be updated on a regular basis. It includes population, total cases, and death in our country due to COVID-19 virus. So, moving towards the features, ease of distribution. Since all the users will be informed beforehand about the time slot and the hospital they have to reach, it will avoid the unnecessarily queues formed in the hospital and overcrowding due to this vaccine thing. And on the similar basis, hospitals will also be aware, or the medical staff will be knowing the number of patients and the time at which they have to treat the patients. This will help in the entire regulation of the process. Moving towards data management, it will help government in keeping a track of how many people have got vaccinated and how many are still left, and therefore analyze their entire progress in this task. Avoid contact. Since the entire functioning will be done through online portals, therefore it will avoid crowd in queues created in hospitals or clinics. Now, when I click on the C list button, it will be showing me the entire hospital and clinic list that are present or that have enrolled in this program, and a user can select any one hospital according to their city from this list. Now, when I go to this helpline details, this it is showing me the entire helpline details which a user can use in the case of emergency. Now, moving towards, when I click on this book vaccine button, I have to fill this form, and it is a very mandatory task for every user. Number, and then we have to fill the email ID and all the important credentials, then city. And while selecting the zip code or the pin code, it is very important to fill it carefully, because using the pin code, our system will be shortlisting the number of hospitals available according to the city selected by us. Yes, now it takes me to the appointment form where I can select the hospitals available in my city, Delhi. I'm choosing Gangaram Rajendra Nagar. Here I can choose the date. Date allotted to me is 27th April. Now I have been given an option of selecting the time slot. So here I'm selecting for 12 to 1 p.m. slot. And after booking, it takes me towards this appointment details form. And here it is showing me the entire detail like center, date, and time slot. Once I approve it, it will be taking me towards payment confirmation portal. Here it is showing all the important details along with my booking ID and my payment amount, and it's all in my hand whether I want to edit the form once again or I want to proceed. And once I click on proceed to payment, it will directly take me towards the payment gateway. Now we will be clicking on this admin login part. Access to this thing is given only to admins, and once I fill the correct credentials, it will show me the portal where I can see the user database. These are the people who have booked their slots for the vaccine. If I click on hospital database, it will show me all the hospitals who have enrolled in our program throughout the country. If I want to add any user, being an admin, I can do that by filling the form in the similar way we did earlier. And when I click on add hospitals, I can add the name of any hospital. For suppose if I'm adding Gangaram once again, and address is Gangaram of Mumbai for say, and and contact number. Then after submitting, we can check that the data has been updated in my hospital database. So this was all about our project BookMyVac. It can prove to be a very helpful thing for distribution task and in the entire management and distribution of vaccines throughout our country.